G'day and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got my fluoro shirt on and we're going to try and get some shine onto this old paint. See what happens. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Old school only is go. So we're undercover. You got to do this stuff in the shade, never do it in the sunshine. I do have limited space. Got my buff, got my compound. Let's not muck around. Let's get into it. I can't say I'm a massive fan of the compound I'm using, but you can see the difference straight away. I just got to be careful. I don't want to burn through too much of the blue. As much as I like patina or pantina, as Bad Chad would say, I want to try and keep as much of the original paint on there as I can. Check that out, will you? It's awesome.
Is this a new baby, Paul?
Yeah. What do you reckon?
Pretty nice.
Pretty cool, huh? Bit of a dream car. Wanted one since I was a little kid. Finally could afford one.
My auntie would love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
just letting that air dry. I don't have a chamois. I don't have many shiny cars, that's why. It looks great. Good thing about buffing it is I didn't really take off much paint, which that's what I was really concerned about. There's a couple of places I tried with wet and dry and other things, and the paint's really thin. So I'm really happy with that. She's shiny. That door's a little bit sadder than the rest, but that doesn't worry me too much. And I just left the roof as it is for now because it's going to go really dark with the buff. And it kind of blends in right now, so we'll leave it. And that's about all I'm going to do with the paint, I think. Absolutely nothing else. She's just gorgeous. Look at that. Been doing a bit of stuff off camera. Just waiting for my neighbour over there to stop vacuuming his front driveway. He vacuums his driveway every day. That's my driveway. I don't give one, to be honest. Anyhow. What did I do to this? So, plugs out yesterday. Checked them all. It was misfiring, and I was worried it had a valve issue. It was actually one of the leads off. The back corner over there was off. Plugs came out. Everything looked good. Put it all back in, and she fired up, and she's running really smooth. I've also been working on an air filter. I'll go and grab it. Hang on. So it came with an oil bath air filter, which was too tall. Couldn't close the bonnet. So I had a couple of other ones. So out of the few I've got, I pried one apart, and this isn't the filter I'm going to use, but one that fits in there better will sit there. This lid was off another one, which I pried apart, and with that cleaned up and a proper size filter in there, that'll work really good, and it'll suit the old school 57 style. I've been wanting to give this a bit of a paint, but it's the oil and the grime is baked on like dead set concrete, so I've washed it about 3 times, pressure washed it. It's going to take some time, so at the moment it's soaking in WD-40. I'm just going to have to keep going at it. I'll take the rocker covers off when my gaskets arrive, and I'll paint them independently, but I'd like it to look nice under here, but that's going to take some time without taking the motor out. I pulled my master cylinder out today, expecting it to be just toasted, and it's brand new. It's a brand new master cylinder. It's never had fluid in it. It's perfect. So at the moment I'm going to run that. I might change it to a dual circuit, but right now everything's going to be new. We'll run that. So there you have it. One somewhat shiny 57 150. I'm loving it. So I'm going to leave this one right here. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty pumped with it. Still waiting for brakes. It's going to be a while. Until then, stay tuned, be good to your mates, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. And yes, I'm going to lower it. Don't stress. I'm going to lower it. It's happening. It's going to happen. Coming down.